Hello children, good morning everybody. Welcome to our channel is Smart Study. Okay, in the previous class we have completed teeth and microbes lesson, no? That is second chapter. Now in this class I am going to give you notes of this whole lesson. Okay? Every time first I'll start with hard words, no? We shall see now one after one. First one is what children? Teeth. You all know the spelling. T-E-E-T-H. Okay? Teeth. Second one is what? Temporary. If the spellings are big, what I will say you usually what that if the spelling is big here now, so you should split it into 2-3 parts and read. Means you should cut it into 2-3 parts and read, so it will be easy. Okay? Temporary means T-E-M P-O-R-A-R-Y. Read in this way, it will be easy. Temporary. Temporary. Next. Third one we shall see now. Third one is what, friends? Permanent. You read in this way. P-E-R per M-A-N-E-N-T. Permanent. Okay? Next one is what? Incisors. I-N-C-I-C-S-O-R-S. Incisors. Fifth one is canines. You know can spelling. C-A-N can. I-N-E-S. Ines. Canines. Sixth one is what? Premolars. P-R-E pre. M-O-L-A-R-S. Premolars. P-R-E pre. M-O-M-O-L-A-R-S. Lars. Premolars. Seventh one is molars. In the premolars, if you cut this P-R-E pre, what will happen? You'll get molars. Eighth one is tearing. Tearing teeth, biting teeth, grinding teeth, crushing teeth. All those I told, no? Here all INGs are common. See. How many are there totally? Moving up. See, 8, 9, 10, 11. All 4. Last ING, all are common. Okay, you just learn. If you learn this one also, enough. You skip ING and just read. Tear. Bite means again B-I-T-E. Don't think B-I-T. B-I-T means bit. B-I-T-E. Okay. Tearing. T-E-A-R-I-N-G. Tearing. Ninth one is biting. B-I-T-I-N-G. Biting. Tenth one is what? Grinding. G-R-I-N-D. Grind. I-N-G is common. Crushing means C-R-U-S-H. Crush. I-N-G. Ing. Next one is what? Crown. C-R-O-W-N. Crown. C-R-O-W-N. Crown. 13th one is root. R-O-O-T. Root. 14th is acid. A-C-I-D. Acid. 15th one is plaque. P-L-A-Q-U-E. Okay? P-L-A-Q-U-E. Paste like material I told on the teeth it will be formed. That one. P-L-A plaque. Q-U-E plaque. Next one is what? Calcium. C-A-L cal. C-I-U-M. C-M. Calcium. 17th one is what? Microbes. M-I-C-R-O-B-E-S. Microbes. Next. 18th one. Microscope. M-I-C-R-O-S-C-O-P-E. Microscope. Microscope. 19th. Bacteria. B-A-C-T-E-R-I-A. Bacteria. 20th one. Virus. V-I-R-U-S. Virus. Next one is protozoa. P-R-O-T-O-Z-O-A. Protozoa. Next one. Fungi. F-U-N-G-I. Fungi. Okay? Next we shall see this. Still some are there. See here all the diseases which are caused due to microbes I told, no. First here what is there? Typhoid. T-Y-P-H-O-I-D. Typhoid. T-Y-P-H-O-I-D. Typhoid. 24th one is what? Polio. P-O-L-I-O. Polio. Next one is malaria. M-A-L-A-R-I-A. Malaria. Next one is ringworm. You know ring spelling R-I-N-G ring. W-O-R-M worm. Ringworm. Okay. I will rub this all. You can write now. you can take the screenshot and write. Wait just a minute. Okay, I'm doing this one small. You can take screenshot and write. Okay, now can you see, children? You can write all this. Next, after hard words, what we will learn? Ticking the correct answers. Choose the correct answers. One after one we shall see. I'm zooming it. See. First question, what is there, friends? These are all known as the grinding teeth. That means what is the other name of grinding teeth? What did I told you? Molars. Molars is the other name of grinding teeth. Okay, molars can also be called as grinding teeth. Second one, this is the hardest part of the tooth. What are the options? A is enamel, B is root, C is pulp. What is the answer? Hardest part, white color it will be there, I told, no? Enamel, ENAMEL. This spelling is important, friends. Next one is what? We should eat or drink this to keep our teeth healthy. Okay, for keeping our teeth healthy, we should eat or drink this one. What is this? Chocolate, milk, sweets. What is the answer? Milk. Okay, next. Fourth one is what I am reading the question. See, this instrument is used to see. Tiny means what I told, children? Small. Tiny means small. This instrument is used to see small living organisms called microbes. I told we can't see microbes with the help of eye. With what we should see then? With an instrument called microscope. Spelling what? MICRO. Micro. SCOPE. Scope. Microscope. Fifth one is what? There are main dash kind of microbes. Okay, total mainly how many types of microbes are there? I told 4 will be there. I told, yes or no? 4 types of microbes are there mainly. Okay, what are they? Bacteria, virus, fungi and protozoa. I told, no? These are 4 types mainly microbes. So C is our answer. Now I am rubbing it. You can write, note it down. Okay, take a screenshot of it and write down. Now we shall move to the next bit. Fill in the blanks. Okay, can you see? Now see, children. First one, what is there? Human beings have 2 sets of teeth in their lifetime. What are they? 2 types of teeth are there now for us. First one is milk teeth, that is MILK. Milk teeth. Second one is permanent teeth. Spelling PER per MANENT. Nent. Permanent. No, PER per MANENT. Nent. Permanent. These 2 types are the teeth that we have. Next, second one is what? Dash are front teeth that have sharp flat edges. Okay, when we open our mouth, first what we can see? Incisors. How they will be? They will be flat. Front they will be there, no? Those one. Incisors. Spelling is what? INCICSORS. Incisors. Okay. Incisors are the front teeth that have sharp flat edges. Next, moving to the third one. Disease causing microbes are called dash. I told disease causing microbes are also having other name, that is what? Germs. 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 Okay. Disease causing microbes can also be called as germs. Fourth one is what? Dash of teeth is not visible to us. I told in tooth there will be two parts. One is crown, other is the root. Crown is visible to us. That means we can see it. But root is not visible to us. No? Means we cannot see the root. So what is the answer? Crown or root? Root. Since we cannot see it. R-O-O-T. Root. This is two children. T. Okay. R-O-O-T. Root. Next, fifth one. Dash can weaken the enamel and make small cavities on it. Cavities means పుచ్చిపోవడం అని చెప్పిన కదా నాన్న. Because of what? Because of the plaque, our tooth will spoil and may we get the cavity. In cavity, small cavities will be there, large cavities will be there. Okay, what is the answer? Plaque. Spelling what? P-L-A, plaque, Q-U-E-Q. Plaque, you should say. Okay, you should pronounce it as plaque. Okay, these are the fill in the blanks I am rubbing. You can write it clearly. Take a screenshot and note it down. Now we shall move to next one. What are those? Third bit is about true or false. See. What is the first question? True or false? The soft and pink fleshy part around the teeth is called gum. True or false, children? Fleshy part around the teeth, it will be there. It is called gum only, no? Chigullane kada antam. So answer is true. I wrote here T. Next, moving to the second question. Whenever a tooth falls, a new tooth grows to take its place throughout our lifetime. No, false. Only once if we lose the milk teeth, we'll get the permanent teeth. But not throughout the lifetime we will get the new teeth. Okay, once only it will happen. But they are saying entire lifetime it will repeat. If the tooth falls again it will come, they are saying no. So answer is false. I wrote here F. Third one is what? We should rinse our mouth after every meal. What I told, you should wash properly after eating every meal. Yes or no? Otherwise, whatever food is stuck in your teeth, it will be like that only. That one. Yes or no? After eating every meal, you should do that. So they gave correct only. Answer is true. Note it down. I am rubbing this. Okay, now take a screenshot and note it down. Now, going to fourth, true or false. Fourth question is what, friends? The enamel protects the inner parts of our teeth. Yes or no? I told in the crown part enamel will be there now outside hard and shiny substance. What it will do? It will protect all the inner parts of our teeth. So answer is true. T. Last one. All microbes are harmful to us? No, false. Some useful microbes also will be there. Not all are harmful. Some are useful and some are danger. These are the answers. Note it down. Next, last bit it what match the following. Here they have given us some what different types of teeth, and here they have given us the options. Number, how many number they are there? You should match them. First, temporary teeth means what I told. Temporary teeth or milk teeth both are same. How many milk teeth will be there, children? 20 I told for you. So first answer goes to D. Temporary teeth, how many will be there? 20. If they give milk teeth also write 20 only. Okay, both are same. Sometimes they may give milk teeth, sometimes they may give temporary teeth. Second one is what? How many molars are there? This is the last set of teeth. No, first incisors will be there, next canines, next premolars, last is the molars. How many molars will be there? 12. 6 in the upper jaw, 6 in the lower jaw. So answer is what? C. Molars are 12. C is the answer. Third one is what? Canines. Okay, how many canines will be there? 4 will be there. So answer is E. Canines, how many are there? 4. Next one is incisors. How many incisors will be there? I told 8. Okay. So incisors goes to 8. That is B is our answer. Fourth one is B. Last one, how many permanent teeth will be there for us? 32. 32 permanent teeth will be there. Okay. By this we completed match the following also. Now we shall move to question answers. Short question answers. First we shall see. Next I will say you long question answers. See children, here short answers I am writing. QA means question answers. Don't think that is something. First question, name the two parts of a tooth. I told tooth will have two parts. What are they? Crown and root. CROWN, crown. ROOT is the root. Second part. These two are the crown and root are the two parts of a tooth. Don't write simply crown and root. Okay, in the sentence, whole sentence you should write. Don't give one word answers. Write in one sentence at least. Okay. Second one is what? Name any two microbes. Okay, they are asking to give us any two microbes. I wrote here virus, fungi. Okay, virus and fungi are the two microbes. Spelling virus, virus, fungi, fungi. Okay, note it down. Now moving to the next third short answer. I will zoom it, just wait. Now is it okay? See. Third question, what did they give? Write any 4 diseases caused by the microbes. I told some useful microbes will be there, some harmful microbes will be there. No, because of the harmful microbes, what diseases you will get? Any 4 diseases name they are asking to write. I wrote how many? What? Typhoid, polio, malaria and ringworm are the 4 diseases caused by the microbes. This is I children, MICROBES. Okay, what are the diseases? Typhoid, polio, malaria, ringworm. These 4 are the diseases. Okay, next one. What is the function of premolars? Okay, what does the premolars do? They are used for crushing and grinding the food. Okay, they make the food into paste. Which type of tooth? Premolar. So what you should write? Premolars are used for crushing and grinding the food. What is the function? Means what is their use? Next, moving to the fifth last short answer. Which vitamin is important for healthy teeth and gums? Teeth and gums means immediately which vitamin you should remember? C. Okay, C means what? All citrus fruits, guava, oranges, tomato, gooseberry, those fruits. Okay, so answer is what? Vitamin C is important for healthy teeth and gums. Okay, next, moving to the long question answers. First question, what is that children? Why are teeth important for us? Okay, why teeth are important for us? They are useful for eating the food and they also help in the digestion process. No, that only I wrote here. See, we shall read. What is there here? Our teeth helps us to bite, tear, grind and chew our food. Yes or no? It is useful for biting the food, tearing the food, grinding the food and also chewing the food. And they also help in the process of digestion. Yes or no? They help in the process of digestion. First, whatever we eat will send into the mouth and the teeth only will make that food into paste and send into inside through food pipe. Yes or no? So we should keep our teeth clean and healthy to avoid the dental problems like toothache and cavity. If you have not brushed your teeth properly morning and evening, what will happen? You will get diseases all related to the teeth. Then you will be needed to go to the doctor. Okay, the doctor who treats your teeth is, what is his name? Dentist, his or her. Okay, whoever treats the teeth, we should say for him as dentist. Okay, immediately if you are not brush your teeth properly or if you not took care of your teeth, you need to go to the dentist and that time you may get all these problems like what? Toothache and cavity. Okay, you can note it down. Next is second question. Now see, what is the second question? What are microbes? Give any 2 examples of useful microbes. Microbes are what I told. I told that they also will live like us. They also need air. They also need water, oxygen, everything like us. Okay, I wrote here, see, microbes are tiny. Tiny means I told small, no, I wrote here in the bracket also. Microbes are tiny or small living organisms that cannot be seen with our eyes. We cannot see them by our eyes. Then with what we should see? We should see with the microscope. That only I wrote here. They can be seen through an instrument called microscope. What is that instrument name? Microscope. Here E will be there. Wait. You can't see here. MICROSCOPE. Here E is there, children. You can't see. Here E is there. MICROSCOPE. Okay. Now I'll erase this and I will show you whole page. You can take a screenshot. Still 3 more questions we need to do. Okay. You can write now, see. These are short answers. Next, these are long answers. Here E also is there, but MICROSCOPE. Next, moving to the third long answer. Sorry, here one more they asked along with that. What are microbes? I have told, but give any 2 examples of useful microbes. I have not given. Okay, what is the use of these microbes? I have written here. We shall see. Sorry, I have forgot it. I will zoom it. See. See, what are the uses of this microbe? First one is what? Microbes like yeast are used in the making bread and bun. Okay, even in the alcohol also they will use while this yeast. Okay, first point is what? What is the use of this microbe? Means microbes like yeast, yeast, are used in making bread and bun. Second one is what? Some microbes help in the digestion of food. FOOD. Here, you can't see here, no? Food spelling, you know, no, children? FOOD. Okay, food. This is the answer. First is about yeast and it also helps in the digestion of food. Now we shall move to the third question. What is the third question, children? Give any 4 ways on how to take care of your teeth. Okay, how will you take care of your teeth? They are asking to give some tips. First one, what is that? Drink lots of water every day. Okay, you need to drink many water, so many water daily. At least 2 liters of water you should drink daily, I told you. Okay. Second point is what? Clean your tongue with the help of a tongue cleaner daily. Okay, every day after completing your brushing, you need to clean your tongue with the tongue cleaner every day. Third point, eat fruits, vegetables, nuts and milk products regularly. Okay, every day you need to take lots of fruits, vegetables, nuts and milk products. Means what? Whatever products that come from the milk are called milk products. For example, cheese, butter, paneer, all those. Next one is what? Last point. They asked to give us 4. No, I wrote here 4. If you want, you can write many. Still 5, 6 also. Avoid eating too many sweets and chocolates. Okay, you should not eat sweets and chocolates more and more. Why? I told you in the lesson, if you eat the sweets and chocolates more and more, what will happen? In that sugar will be there. That sugar whole, what it will happen? That sugar is changed into the acid in your teeth. Then you will get a disease called what I called plaque. Because of that plaque you may get the small cavity, large cavity. I told no, puchipodam antam, all those you will get. That's why you should not eat the food more and more which contains of the sugar, that is sweets, chocolates, biscuits, all those. Okay, next I'll erase this. We shall see 4th and 5th answer. By this we'll complete this lesson notes also. Wait for a while. Next, 4th question. Now can you see? Seen. How is plaque formed on our teeth? Till now I told no, that one only. See, if we do not brush properly, the germs change the sugar in the food to acid. Okay, if you have not brushed properly, what will happen? All the germs whatever are there in the sugar, the changes into the acid in the food. Sugar will be present, like sweets, chocolates, biscuits, all the sugar which is present in the food will be changed into what? Acid. Now what this acid will do? This acid sticks to our teeth as a paste like material called plaque. Okay, this whole acid will get sticked to our mouth like a paste material called what? Plaque. The spelling is important, Plaque. Okay, plaque. Now moving to the last question. See children, what is the difference between crown and root? First, what is the crown and root? I told two with their crown and root. What is the main difference between them? This crown is the upper part of the tooth. That means we can see it. I told outside enamel will be there, harder out shining one, that one. We can see the crown part, but we can't see the root part because it will be inside our teeth. We can't see it. What I wrote answer? Crown is the part of the teeth which is visible to us. Visible means we can see. Crown part we can see, and when we open our mouth and that's all. Okay, when we open our mouth, when you open your mouth or when you smile or laugh, we can see this part, crown part. Okay, next what I wrote? Root is the part of the tooth which is not visible to us. Okay, the difference is nothing here children. We can see the crown, that means crown is visible and root is not visible. That's all. Okay, still if you want you can write 2-3 differences also. That's all. I will rub this and show you. You can take a screenshot and write. Wait, I am zooming. Okay, now is it okay? You can note it down. I will. Okay children, by this we will complete our second lesson also, that is teeth and microbes. All notes I have given, all bits and question answers. If you are having any doubt, put it in the comment box, and if you have struck anywhere, you pause the video there itself and listen again and again. You will understand it clearly. Okay children, stay at home and be safe. Please don't go outside. Thank you. Bye. Finally, one point, what is that? If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel, Smart Study. Bye bye.